Hi, everybody. Happy Wednesday to you. 3 News senior meteorologist Matt Wintz with Look at Your Forecast. Thanks for taking time to join us here on our YouTube channel. We have some very active weather coming our way, and it all starts this afternoon. As the storm system moves in, we've got cold surface temperatures. We're expecting a mix of freezing rain and sleet to move in this afternoon, and that coincides with that evening rush hour, at least up until that evening rush hour. Some brief slick spots are possible for a several-hour window here this afternoon into the early evening. And then we change over to rain after that as air temperatures come up. I don't see any problems late this evening into the overnight as we'll have a cold rain around and temperatures actually peak near midnight where we'll get into the upper 30s. And then tomorrow morning, a cold front goes by, so we'll drop our temperatures back. Precip should be out of here during the morning rush hour, should be pushing out. By late morning, it's out of here for good. But temps coming down, and remember, with the rain tonight, we're going to have a lot of water, standing water on area roadways and stuff like that. That will refreeze tomorrow if it's untreated. So keep that in mind. Could turn slick tomorrow as we get colder. We're in the 20s for much of the day, and we bring in some afternoon and evening snow showers around here. The ice is going to be the biggest issue, not just this evening, but into the night. And we're talking Erie, Huron County, even down towards Mansfield, may get some icing. But this is where the icing problems are going to be because we're not going to change over to rain for a lot of those locations. So if you've got travel plans this evening into tonight back towards Toledo where there are ice storm warnings, it gets significantly more icy as you get Erie, Huron County out towards the west tonight. So we're going to have some problems tonight and tomorrow for those locations. And then we have to talk about the weekend storm system. If you joined us on our YouTube channel yesterday, we were talking about the potential for this, and it still looks likely that we get an impactful weekend storm with area-wide accumulating snow. This is not just for the snow belts, for everybody. And keep an eye on the forecast, and we say that not to get more people to watch, but to talk about the track of this low, because if this low tracks any differently than where it is right now, it has significantly different impacts. So I'll explain here. As of right now, we've got snow that's expected to move in Saturday morning. So waking up Saturday morning, we'll probably have some snow around. And then all indication is, given the current track of this low, that we would change things over to rain Saturday afternoon into the evening hours. Meanwhile, snowstorm raging off towards the north. Depending on the track of this low, we either stay rain Saturday night into Sunday before changing back over to heavy snow, or some models have this low just a little bit further south, and that keeps us snow all weekend. There's a big difference on where this low goes and our impacts on that, and that's why you need to stay tuned because we're going to see some adjustments to this low track. But either way, as of right now, I've got rain Saturday night, changing over to heavy snow with wind around here Sunday. Sunday could get real messy around here as this low pulls on out, and then we deal with some lingering lake effect snow and system snow combined as we're going into Monday with another system later next week. But this is going to be an impactful one this weekend, big winter storm. In terms of temperatures, yeah, we stay below average. Our average is up to 38. We don't even get close to that over the next couple days. And then Monday, notice that down to 17. Why so cold? Well, this storm system that's going to go by this weekend will head up into Canada, and it's going to grab frigid air on the backside of it, and it's going to have some residency time here in Northeast Ohio. Much of next week looks not just below average, but bitter cold once again. Your Union Home Mortgage 10-day forecast. There's your weather impact alert this afternoon into the evening. Another one on Saturday and Sunday for that weekend storm system. Right now, again, I've got snow to rain, and then rain back to snow on Sunday, and then we turn colder with teens for highs Monday, Tuesday into Wednesday. Winter's certainly not done yet here as we enter the latter half of February. Some very active weather around here. All right, we've got another update on the track of that low coming our way on the TV side of things at 4. Join us then. Otherwise, have a great Wednesday, everybody.